Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we will be looking at a 8.5 by 24 white hybrid enclosed trailer. At the front we do have our jack coupler and safety chains with an extended tongue. There is a generator box on the front driver's side at the enclosed portion. This enclosed trailer hybrid does measure in 24 feet long with a 8-foot enclosed section and a 16-foot open utility portion. This trailer comes with 1-foot siding, as well as teardrop stone guard fenders. The enclosed portion of this trailer does come with a spring assist bifold loading ramp. There are 4 tie-down points at the bottom of this trailer. This trailer does have pressure treated wood flooring. There is a 36-inch rear access door to the enclosed portion of your trailer, as well as LED floodlights. This trailer also comes with 2 7-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. There is a driver's side 36-inch entry door to the enclosed portion of the trailer. There is a step. We have the rear access door from the inside. This trailer does have 2 LED strip lights, as well as your generator box from the inside portion. We have our light switch. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 24 hybrid enclosed trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.